Um, I'm gonna let people know that this is a Samsung Galaxy S5. You guys hear this? I'm not sure if you guys picked that up, but I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm recording from a Samsung Galaxy S5 too. I went into my local Best Buy and one of the Samsung rep said that it is this image stabilizer that is not in place. It's supposed to be some kind of defect, but I'm sending, my Samsung in. Yeah, I don't want to, I can't live with that. So it's going in for repair, and I'll let you guys know what happened in about a week or and a half, whenever they get it repaired or not. But it's weird because if you put it in camera mode, you don't hear that noise. But then if if you are not in camera mode, you can hear it, which is kind of weird. So it's going back.